Hello everyone, this is Shishir and you are watching GATE Academy Global. And as we all are aware that IIT Kharagpur has announced the date of GATE examination, GATE 2022, that is 6th, 7th and 12th, 13th of February month next year. And you are left with only 6 months if you are targeting for GATE 2022. So the most important thing is that what we have to do first when you hear the date of GATE examination is that you have to take some inputs, take a page from your notebook and write that what are the subjects you have already completed, whether you are revising those subjects or not, what are the subjects you are left with for preparing for in this next 6 months, and whether you are revising your subject or not, whether you are writing test series or not. That means if you are not doing all those things, you are not going to get good score. So for getting good score, that can give you a IIT, that can provide you to get inside a PSU, then definitely you have to write the test series, you have to complete each and every subject in proper time, you have to take care that you are revising the subjects that you have completed. So you have to maintain your own timetable, and that timetable should be executable, that you can be able to execute those timetable that you are preparing. And if you are not prepared till now, then you have to take those inputs that you have analyzed for you, that you want to complete in next 6 months, and write your own timetable. The timetable should be executable and you have to give your full effort to execute those things that you have written in your timetable. So give some comments if you are already have written your own timetable for executing the things in a proper way, so that it can give you a good score in GATE 2022 examination. If you haven't planned anything, then you should write in comment box of this video. Okay, thank you everyone.